All right, guys, here's the layout for the master vanities. Plan view. This is the vanity closest to the closet. 4 inches off the wall, your sink, 3-drawer stack, and sink, drawer stacks either side. Pretty straightforward vanities. The closet, plan view, looking down to size and scale. I will have to double check as one of these walls maybe isn't a 45 or my measurements are off, but when I laid all this out, these walls here didn't line up perfect, but we're close. So these cabinets are 94 inches tall. So if we look at this wall, an elevation view, here's our layout, 2 inches down from the ceiling, so we can put a scribe piece up here to close it off. This is our height, inside hanging height, upper shelf, and these are 16 inches deep. We can change this up for tall hanging for dresses or coats for longer hanging items. So these cabinets are all the same as far as the build. Inside width, hanging height. This corner here, one idea to bring this corner around, that's just obviously an awkward corner, but if we did that cabinet somewhat like this, just for shelving, a little tough to look at, but if let's hide this wall. When you walk in on the left here, and then to look at it the other way, so maybe turn this one into full height hanging. This little funky corner here, maybe put some shelving in there or leave it as is. One thing to consider, this wall I've got at 64 inches, so once these cabinets are in, they're 16 inches deep right there. So from the face of this across to the other, we are at 32¼ inches, which is a little tight, but it'll work. Trying to put something on this back wall, and we can kick this around and play with maybe putting a cabinet, a cabinet like this on the back wall. Then it's going to block off part of that. So I don't know if we want to abandon this, but at least that's some usable space. And we can see here with this cabinet, if we look at the elevation view, and mind you, these are 16 deep. So this is the wall when you walk in on the left. So it's going to be covered by the adjacent cabinets out to right about here, 16 inches out. Still usable, but something to keep in mind. So anyway, first idea, let me know what you think. Thanks.